All right, guys, let's break this down. Everybody, here's our last 8 count, and we ended here on our 8, okay? Left hand on the ground. So round the 1, I'm gonna kick with my right. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. I'm gonna stop right here for a second. We're gonna use the perfect, but right on the 2, this is basically what I'm doing. What I want to do is that I want to keep my head, keep my eyes looking to the left wall here. Okay? This is 2. And then from here, I want to start putting my hand down on the 3. On the 3 down here. And then by the 4, I should be flat on my stomach. Everybody nice flat on the stomach. Hands down like a push-up position. Okay? So let's rewind. Everybody, we're going to get up to 4 in that spot. So we don't want to get there too early. Sometimes what happens, we're like 1, 2, and we're here on 2 already. We shouldn't do that. That's too quick. So you got to control your kick. Said, hey, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So if you're doing your neighbor, make sure you're going to kick in your face. Good. So this is 4, guys. Any questions? We're good? Everybody here good? Okay. So the hard part, the difficult part now is here. Right here, I want to make sure this is my right foot. Okay? Not the left. This is left. This is right. The right foot is going to kick to the sky, to the ceiling. Okay. Right on the 5, or right before the 5, I want to start kicking. So I land on the 5. As I do this, you see how my hip is coming off the ground? Okay? And then my left knee, this one is my left knee, is going to scoop in, come in here. Okay? So, right now I'm going to use these for example. Okay? So imagine the string right here, and it's going up, it's getting up, there you go. And this leg is tucking right in. Okay? So that's 5. Let's all get to 5, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go from the 1. Here we go. Everybody, back to the 1, and we're going to end at the 5. Count with me. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as I'm pushing here, my arms are pushing as well. It's like a little push-up right here. So perfect right there, and good. That's our 5. So from here, I immediately I'm gonna get my head up, push it up, and the right knee's gonna step, boom. Here's my 6, okay? Everybody good on 6? Guys trying to get Okay, if you guys are ready, we're gonna go to 6 and try it with us. Here we go. So we're here on 8. Everybody, go back a little bit so I don't get kicked. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. The key thing now, look, I'm going to show you in this foot right here. Right on the 6, you see how the toe is down? We don't want to be like this, because then you can't push off of it, okay? So make sure by 6, this toe is down, okay? All right, so we have 6 here. From here, I'm going to lean forward for my weight here, and the butt comes off the ground, the knee comes off the ground here. 7 is here, and then I'm going to put the hook here on the 8, okay? And yes, I throw my arms to this side, so that's 8. And that's it, just 1 8 count. This you can do it all together, okay guys? Here we go. From the 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. You guys want to try it one more time? Okay, just one more time for good luck. You guys do it with us. Here we go. You guys want to come with me? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Right here. Good.